So now on this section, we're gonna be making the hood of the car, the Audi R8 Spider. So first things first, we're just gonna turn off the perspective on each of them so that we can only see it from the front side and none of the other sides. Let's bring back the opacity. And let me turn on the screencast keys. My bad. Let's click on mesh, then get a plane on the front side. Let's just SZ this. Go to the edit mode, and since we're gonna edit this, we're just going to delete the left hand side. Just click on the right vertices and then just GX them and just push them to the left side. Coming to the top, let's just bring this and just align it with the hood boundary. Just follow my steps. Go to the right side, click on the bottom two vertices and just push them up to the front. Just align it right over there. Just a little bit, go to the top, right over there. Now we have a vague outline of the hood. The inner part of the hood to be precise. Go to top view. It looks okay. Just skew it to the x-axis inner side. Place it right over there. It doesn't look good from the top side. Just move it there. Cool. Now we're gonna just press Ctrl R and just get 4 edges inside the plane. Let's just push them right onto the blueprint lines of the hood. Just GZ them and just push them down one by one. Let's move it right over the corner. There we go. Go to the right side and let's just it's not in the right place. There's one more thing that I have to share with you guys, that the blueprints will never align properly with each other. For example, the front and the side might not match. Same goes for the side and top, it might not match. All you have to do is just make sure you match at least two sides, and then the other side just make it move so that it could be as close as possible with the top lining of the top blueprint lining. Now control R, get four edges. We just gonna skew them so that they could be on the pinch line of the hood. Control R, get four. We're just gonna move it over onto the pinch line of the hood. Just GX them like that. I'll just double G it and move it. Let's just GY them and just push, go to the top view, GY them and just move it right over the line, the pinch line. Let's just select the entire edge loop, then just GY them and just push them onto the pinch line. Make sure to always trust the process. It might not look good at the first, but as we progress, it's going to be fine. Again, Control R, get three edges, and then just push the entire edge loop with GY and just place them right over the pinch line. Again, here with the minor adjustments with double G. Let's push them down the Z axis right over there. Since at the end of the hood there's a slight curve, a slight dip. Let's just get the entire faces. Just press let's get the entire face. Let's go to the edge, select and then just click on each of the edges over the lengthwise and then just right click, loop tools and then just space. Goes the same with the edges that goes from left to right. And now we're just going to be push them down over to the hood main boundary. On the top boundary we're going to grab the entire edge loop with having the active element over on the right side vertice, and then just SZ them so that it will move downwards, making the right side vertice as the anchor point. Again, click the entire edge and having the outside vertice as the anchor point in the active element, then SC, push it down like that. And we're just gonna rinse and repeat through the entire hood like this. Let's just GZ them and just click on each individual vertex and just place it over on the lines, the hood lines. As we can see that it is not in the perfect place, so going to a top view, just press them individually and just push it over on the reference lines of the hood. Just GY them, don't press double G, just GY them plainly. Let's get okay, let's press K for the knife tool, then just press K over the main vertex that we're gonna cut, and over on the middle of the edge where we need a new vertex, and there we go, we have a new vertex and an edge line over there. As you can see, let's check some references over on the pure ref, and let's just check if we're going on the right direction. Let's just extrude each vertex, starting from the far left in the middle, and then just compose it on the right side onto the blueprint line with GZ. We're gonna do each of them individually, and after that we're just gonna merge them. Let's push these two up a little bit. That one, let's push that one up a little bit. There we go. And then just select both the vertices and just press F, and then just press all of the four vertices and press F to make a complete face. Let's get another one, another vertex right over there, and then just join those two with pressing J.